Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Cadillac Escalade garage door opener. First, it is important to prepare. If you have previously programmed a button, clear any old codes by pressing and holding the two outside home link buttons for approximately 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Make sure your handheld garage door remote has fresh batteries for optimal signal strength. Finally, position your vehicle directly in front of your garage. Now, let's program the home link system. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons, typically found on your overhead console or rearview mirror. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired home link button and your handheld garage door remote button. Continue holding until the home link indicator light flashes slowly, then rapidly. Once it flashes rapidly, release both buttons. If your garage door opener uses rolling codes, there are a few extra steps. After completing the in-vehicle programming, locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener's motor unit, often near the antenna wire. Press and immediately release this button. You will then have about 30 seconds to return to your Cadillac. Once inside, press the newly programmed home link button 3 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time. After completing the programming, test your home link button to ensure it operates your garage door. If the door does not respond, repeat the entire programming process, paying close attention to the timing and the distance of your remote. If you continue to experience issues, your garage door opener's memory might be full. You may need to clear its memory by holding its Learn button until the light blinks or turns off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.